Yes, this is a political podcast, but what happened during the parade of the Super Bowl was two young kids got assault AR-15s and shot up the crowd, and this was during Super Bowl.
The one thing that got me mad, because like you get 1,000 emotions in it, right? So like it was like super joy, right? You had like a ball of joy. Imagine like a glass ball of joy. That's what the day was.
Yep.
Like literally, and like to infringe on Disney's copyright, like the happiest place on earth. I literally think that until the shooting, that was the happiest place on earth.